Okay, there he goes. Oh, he's found a parching spot. There he is, everybody. There's Miracles. There he is. Miracle. This is a log to a tree that just fell down. Miracle likes it. It's new, it's different. He's going to have a good time. I'll go around so we can get a better shot of it. He doesn't like to use his tree bridge anymore. Apparently he's gotten bored with that, and that's okay. He likes to do things different. And there he is. There's Miracle, enjoying a new log in the woods. Let's see if I can zoom in. Usually I can, but it's not letting me. There we go. That was really a zoom in, y'all. We didn't need to zoom in that much, did we? But there he is. We can see a good view of him. There's Miracle. Let's see if we can change that a little. Y'all watch me figure out the settings. There he is, y'all. There's Miracle. Come here. Come here, Miracle. Show everybody how good you are. Nope. He is firmly ensconced there. He's not moving. There he is, everybody. Let me move on. There he is, enjoying his new log. Miracle, do you want to say hello to everybody? Okay.